Hey guys, how you doing? Gavin here from the Growing Younger team, and this exercise is going to work your core and your chest, and it's really good for shoulder stability. Okay, it's simply a banded crossover while in a plank. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna secure a band against a static point. I'm using a couple of dumbbells. And you're gonna wrap the band just around your wrist right there. Okay, and you pull the band out so there's a bit of tension on the band. You can come out. You come into a plank position this way, and all you're going to do with the arm with the band on is take it across and take it back the other side. Okay, take it across and take it back. Take it across and take it back. If you find this feels a little bit too hard, you can come onto your knees and you can do the same thing that way. What you could also do to give it a different dimension is anchor this up a little bit higher, so you're a bit more of a diagonal sort of fly coming across the body. But that's a really good exercise. Work on the stability of your shoulders, target the chest and the plank and the core all at the same time. Enjoy.